guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Hansika Chauhan and I'm back with a new video. So this video will be about how to prepare advanced account subject for May 23 attempt. Don't skip any part and let's begin with the video. So here's a brief about the video. In this video, I will be telling you a self-done ABC analysis for the subject advanced account, and I will be also sharing a link which you can refer while you will be going through your revision process. So guys, as you all know that advanced accounts is a practical subject and I myself love the practical subjects, so I was great at it. And if you are aiming for exemption in the practical subjects, you should pinpoint at one thing, that don't skip any chapter. So here are some pointers for the preparation of subject advanced account. First is do writing practice, it's the most important one. Then cover all the concepts of all the chapters, don't skip any concept. Third, do practice of all formats for sure. Why I am highlighting the format here? Because when we do writing practice of questions, we don't pay much attention to the format, okay? But if you do so, it will give you advantage over the others, because format also form an important part while you are attempting a question, especially in advanced accounts and accounts. So go for it, don't skip this one. So here's an important tip for the two chapters, that is banking company and partnership, because according to me, most of the students commit silly mistake in these chapters. So for banking company, I would like to suggest that while revising the chapter, you should be careful in learning all the items, because in this there are approx 13 headings, and then there are items which are to be placed under the respective heading. So if while attempting the question, even one item is misplaced under any of the headings, the invigilator can cross all of your question and give you 0 instead of giving you some marks for step marking also. And I'm not joking about it, I heard it from a friend of mine and I'm warning about it to you. So don't ignore this, please. And then the second chapter is partnership. So as we all know, partnership is a very vast chapter, and in this there are very concepts covered. So don't skip any concept, because I would like to share a short tip over here. While preparing for exam for advanced account, one day before the exam, I was just going through the ICI material for the partnership chapter, and I saw 2 to 3 questions which were of a concept that I did, मतलब I skipped it. So I was like, और वो वाले जो questions थे वो आए भी नहीं थे पिछले attempts में. So I was like, why should I do it? And बहुत ही lengthy questions थे. But somewhere it was stuck in my mind, so I did it before the exam. ठीक है? Then when I went for exam, you will be shocked to hear it. The same question, not the as it is, but the same concept question came for 20 marks, and I am very well thankful to myself that I did that concept, because the whole of the question I attempted was done perfectly, and it was right also. So that's how you don't need to skip anything. एंड पार्टनरशिप चैप्टर में तो कॉन्सेप्ट्स ही बहुत हैं, तो कुछ भी स्किप मत करिए, कोई सी भी टाइम में भी कोई सा भी कॉन्सेप्ट आ सकता है. सो गो फॉर इट. देन कम्स द लास्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. बी श्योर टू गो थ्रू ICI मटीरियल बिफोर अपीयरिंग फॉर योर एडवांस अकाउंट्स एग्जाम, and to be on the safer side and to be 100% sure that you had a coverage of all the chapters and all the concepts, go through the illustrations, go through the questions. It will not take much of your time, and you will be gaining a very well confidence that yeah, I am fully prepared and I had also gone through the ICI material, जिसके बाहर से तो पेपर आता भी नहीं है. So go for it. So now I will be sharing with you the important chapters which I myself listed by referring the previous attempt question papers, 4 previous attempt question papers, and it will be very helpful to you. Don't ignore it. I will be telling you the subject along with the respective marks for which they were coming. Okay. So amalgamation came for 15 to 20 marks. Partnership came for 15 marks. Banking company came for 10 to 15 marks. NBFC came for 5 marks. ESOP came for 10 marks, and buyback came for 5 to 10 marks. And among all these chapters, the chapter buyback, ESOP, banking company and NBFC are the easiest chapter of advanced accounts, and they also cover approx 35 to 30 marks of the paper. So go for these chapters for first, because partnership and amalgamation are lengthy chapter, but they will also give benefit to you once you go through all the concepts of this chapter. So at last, I will be discussing about the most important portion of the advanced account subject, that is accounting standards. Yes, they are most important and you can't skip them while preparing for the advanced account subject, because it comes for 30 marks and it's scoring also once you had read it and once you had understood it. So go for it. And I will also attach a link below this video and you can check it. It will be of JK Shah classes. If you are facing any difficulty in preparing for the accounting standards, you can go to the YouTube channel of JK Shah classes and they had posted separate video for each accounting standard. Go for it, check it, and then do the practice questions from the ICI material and it will be very helpful to you. So follow all these pointers and I can assure you that it will surely help you in preparing your advanced account subject. So guys, that's all for today's video and I hope this will help you. So follow these pointers and let me know your suggestions in the comment section below. And for tomorrow, I will be posting how to prepare for FM Eco for May 23 attempts. So stay tuned and stay connected.